Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my video is how you can download Pokemon Go Plus on your phones. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Let's get started without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end. So if you are looking to download Pokemon Go Plus on your phones, you have to follow these easy steps. First, enter tweakcity.com on your Safari. After that, search for Pokemon Go Plus in the search bar and follow the instructions on the web to install Pokemon Go Plus on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you and you were able to download Pokemon Go Plus on your phones too. And if this video helped you in any way, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.